You want to say something? Yes, please.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, sir. The same you said, we are private, we were in a
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. मोहतरमा शजा ख्वाजा साहिबा, Minister of State, Information Technology Ministry, Secretary, IT, Captain Mahmood, Minister of Information, Ata Atar, honorable guests, and our great innovators, and of course, I was very happy to meet some of our daughters who have started earning thousands of dollars, and I think this is a remarkable achievement. I thought that we'll have to pump in millions of dollars before these dollars could come in, but this shows your talent and your innovative capacities, which simply need to be encouraged. And I think there will be sea of change, and I'm very impressed to meet all of you today. Heartfelt congratulations, and I just want to share with you that nothing is more important for me and keeping me busy than not only to address our gender discrimination in Saudi Arabia. You all know, in shopping malls, in business houses, in universities, and all other places, 40% workforce come from female segment of Saudi Arabia. Pakistan is blessed with huge youth resource by Allah Almighty, spanning from 15 years to 30 years, into millions of boys and girls. This is a challenge for us as well as a great opportunity. Let's decide today that this, mashallah, youthful population, highly talented, we will be able to convert them into a great asset of Pakistan. And I want to assure you, you want to say something? Yes, please.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, sir. The same you said, we are private, we were in a public-private partnership with the government, and we started the same program for non-conventional IT training programs for youth. And this program we worked with the National Skill University in 2016 through public-private partnership, but that has not led to be matured. After a few years, it has been closed. I have my application brochure.
All right. Abhi le lete hain. Thank you very much. So, so I am completely committed and resolved to. ये ले आए मैं इसको आप देख लें इसको ज़रा. To empower our youth with modern techniques of technology and provide you with a latest vocational training, and then hope and expect from you that you will be entrepreneurs in Pakistan. You will open offices here in Karachi, Lahore, all over the country. Open offices in Saudi Arabia, in Riyadh, and earn millions of dollars for Pakistan. And then this will become the biggest foreign exchange earner for Pakistan. That's my biggest hope, and that's my challenge. And inshallah, I will make sure that we will commit all investments required for you to become bread earners of your families and a great source of foreign exchange for Pakistan. In that, Shaza Khwaja and her team is fully dedicated. I just had a meeting in terms of how to promote fintech. I don't want to uh, give example of a neighboring country, but you know what I'm saying and what I mean. They have really championed fintech in their country. Not only that, in Gulf states, fintech is a buzzword, and imagine how it has contributed to promoting their GDP. I mean, they've saved time, and time is money. Within minutes, they open their accounts, business transactions take place, and there is no delay, and there is no corruption, and there is no hand trying to impede this kind of technology. So I think when we talk of fintech, when we talk of IT, when we talk of AI, robots, this is not now technology of future. It is today's technology which will lead us into a very bright future. So I think I would like to appreciate all of you, those who have been given these certificates. I think tomorrow and day after, in weeks and months, we will distribute these certificates in thousands and hundreds and thousands, and that's our aim and that's our motto. Let's hope that together we will turn this into a great opportunity. God bless you. Allah be with you. Pakistan Zindabad.